Hello guys, welcome to Animal Crossing New Horizons. Today, I will be showing you a little bit about my island. And, yeah, that's about it. So, yeah, welcome. This is my house. Okay, and this is Cody. Hey, Cody. Let's talk. Alright. Yeah, so that's Cody. Now, right now it's Mirror's birthday. And, yeah. If we go over here... Oh, hold up. Hey, Audie. Well, how's it going? How's it going, Audie? Well, this is Caitlin's house. She's one of my OCs. Basically my alt account. Oh, sorry. So yeah, that's a bit about my island. Oh, and here's O'Hare and hold up. Kyle. Hey Kyle. What you doing? Alright. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.